In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross out text in Microsoft Word. Crossing out text, also known as applying strike-through formatting, is a useful way to show edits, indicate completed tasks, or highlight changes without permanently deleting content. It's commonly used in document revisions, to-do lists, and collaborative work. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the text you want to cross out. Using your mouse, click and drag over the word, sentence, or paragraph to highlight it. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the font group, look for the Strike-through button. It appears as the letters AB with a line running through the middle. Click that button and the selected text will immediately appear crossed out. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, there's a faster method. After highlighting the text, press Ctrl and D on your keyboard to open the font dialog box. Inside that window, check the box labeled Strike-through, then click OK. The formatting will be applied instantly. This method also allows you to access additional text effects if needed. For users who frequently apply strike-through, you can customize your quick access toolbar to include the strike-through option for even quicker access. Simply right-click the strike-through button in the ribbon and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. This places the icon at the top of your screen, making it available no matter which tab you're on. If you want to remove the strike-through formatting later, simply highlight the crossed-out text again and click the strike-through button one more time. The line will disappear and your text will return to normal formatting. There's also a double strike-through option available. To use it, open the font dialog box by pressing Ctrl and D, then select double strike-through instead of the regular option. This adds 2 lines through the text, which can be useful for specific editing styles or document requirements. And that's it. Crossing out text in Microsoft Word is quick, simple, and effective, helping you manage edits and organize your content without deleting important information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.